Jesus Christ to all Mizoram.
Lali so Krista mingin masain Mizoram mi pui zong zong te sibai kan buk masa chawni.
To introduce myself, I am Reverend Dr. Haokip, Joint Payer Fellowship Manipur, Lamka.
Kay makain bersia tir masanga Reverend Dr. Haokip Haokip kan a prayer fellowship and coordinator Manipur lama kaniya.
Today I choose my theme is Thank You Mizoram.
Voina kalokal chan helai mun kan hun kan man chan berachu Mizoram chunga lom thulo soi hini a.
My theme Bible is Psalm 133 verses 1 to 3. Please read, brother, in your language.
Bible changin kha nata na kan han man do chu sam za som thum pathum chang khata tanga chang thum ani a ngai teu u nau tin ngai dial om khom hi avat thai na van duam em lua siak lut tak khabe mula luang tha arona khabe mul nge luang tha kor for mola luang tha ang kha ni a harmon dai film zai on tlang te ta thinang hi ni chuta chon lal pan mal som na thu ape akum kwan na tur chu ti ni a.
Today, the Lord speak to me or touch my heart. As Joint Prayer Fellowship, we celebrated 7 times, 3-day fasting for the whole Manipur Hill, and as well as wherever Zona Tute is living in Mizoram, Chin Hill, and then in Bangladesh. We pray for God's power to save us.
When I hand love to kasi so prayer fellowship wal yanin Chin Hill sami tele Manipur tlang sang ami te zo na thak te tan yanin kan lo tong try photo thina so ngei ten so tiang son kan lo tong try to thina.
So I want to say thank you because of Mizoram is the place where the gospel come through and it enter to Send one Manipur. Firstly,
Amasa love to kan say do na so Manipur sen vona chanchit tha kan ton nei Mizoram lampang kal tanga ron lu tan china.
And then great preachers like Reverend Dr. Vandalangaka are coming and nourishing spiritually for Mizoram.
Reverend Dr. Vandalangaka kha Manipura local boka.
And then Pu Ke Lalming Lena El Bethel is doing great missionary work and big came in Chochanpur.
El Bethel speaker evangelist Kelal Minglian akha Churachanpura local in camping te boruak lian tham tak tharawa har tharna min lo thlen to boka.
And before the outbreak of last year 2023 there 2022 Pu Dr. Dennis and Brother Jira and BBM team come and do more than 3 months revival came in Chochanpur. After that, the outbreak of civil war in Manipur started.
Manipur state songa boina hetia nikoma lo thlen ma sang ni le som ni pani khanin march tanga june in kar thathum chung kha Pu Dr. Dennis Ramdin moele atim te ho Manipura thathum chung revival program ro puitak min lo nei sak boka hetia boruak Manipura boi ma che hian.
Because of that, in Chochanpur there was great revival.
Manipura hian harna na satak hetiang thila lo thlen ma hian pathian na thlen thina.
Brother from outside and up and down, we really pray with tears, we forgive one another.
Ule now te tan mit tuit la sungin tiang khanin kan chong traya in ngai dam ton na te in mangai ton na boruak kha Manipur chunga thlen thei pha thina ni.
Then after that, this civil war break out in May 3.
May ni tuma khan Manipur buai na hi rain trana.
So I want to say thank you to all Mizoram for your love. Many singers also come, many preachers also come. Gospel is number 1 that I want to say thank you.
Manipur ta na mal som na ni turin rongbol tu thatak tak te pathian faka zai thin tam tak te local hian na sa takin mal som nen lo thena kan lom tak zet ti ha kan soi do ni.
And God has chosen Mizoram as a big brother.
Pathian en Mizoram mi kan unaw kanin nga na u chansang tura arwat hin ni a.
For Manipur jo na thakte as well as Bangladesh and Chin Hill area, Burma.
Chin Hill area Burma te Bangladesh le Manipur zo na thak te chunga hian in poimo in hluem ema.
So I request all Mizoram people to play as a brother role, as Mizoram, Aizawl is our Jerusalem.
In unaw de tan hianin u chan chang chun som zel turin kan gen du sewa Aizawl hi kan Jerusalem angani a.
So at the same time, Pu Lalte, Pu Si Dintanga is really organizing as a music side. And then through this, Jonah Thakte is, we really came to know each other. We are not worthy to receive award here, but he chose every time to receive Lalte award. And through this, we are really uniting one another. We love one another. So we want to say to music department as well as Pu Sidin Tanga and others for organizing Lalte award also.
Rimoy khove lampang zong atanga lom thu soi kan tu na chu lelte award editor lelte editor pusidin thanga chunga lom thu kan soi do ani hian award te buat sain zo na thak nam sang sang te award kan don theinan te lamanga inpum khat na len u naw na satakin min lo siam sakhi kan ta na lu em maya lom thu kan soi du bokani.
And so gospel singer like Lien Bin Pui, like Van Ler Sailor White and others, gospel inspire many youngsters to love the gospel song, and so we want to say thank you.
Gospel ha satu pilian ding pui te pu Van Ler Sailor te an ma ni wangin le midang awang te pon lom thu kan sai do at san chu Manipur lam thalai te hi pathian fakna hlangai dat na a te na satakin sulnu na tho ro pui tak min hu sia kan lo mani.
And for the third, I want to say to our politicians, like our former CM Laltan Hola, our former CM Pu Joram Thanga, and present CM Pu Laldu Homa, who speak for us, like Raja Sabha MP K Panlal Vena, Lok Sabha MPC Laru Sanga, all who formerly like Pu Laldiana and who really love and speak for us, who really love the people of Manipur, Jonah Thakte.
Politics lampanga po lom thu soi na tur hi kan nga khop maya pulal de nga ta to kan chief minister masate pulal than holate puzoram thangate tuna kan CM pulal du omate chunga kan loma tin kan MP te pulal rosa ngale puwanal venate po kendi thawang hawa thule hlanaya minchong sakchin tu te chunga lom thu kan soi du bokani.
And for the fourth, Mizoram is our Jerusalem. So I want to request all brothers and sisters in Mizoram to play as a big brother role to continue from every side.
Mizoram hi kan Jerusalem mang adi a chuwang chuanin kan u ena kan en pathian in chuti angarwat in ni awang chuanin kong sang sang a hian min tuam hloma min din pui tur hian kan han ngen le bok chewani.
From center YMA to all branch YMA, as well as all the church members, as well as all individuals.
Central YMA shwai tu te le branch sang sang YMA te le nimal ang te ko shan te po na sataka min chan pui tu te chunga po kan lo me ma.
And for the fifth, I want to say big thanks to Mizo based media, all electronic media, printed media.
Media lampang chunga po electronic media kan ti tu lai social media Mizoram beisei omte le chanchin bumi ho zong song awang pon lom thu kan soi du a.
You are really updating what is happening for our Jonah Thakte, for all to pray and to donate.
Manipur zong na thak te tan hianin thei to pin news item ate kan chanchin te minlo puanzar saka khovel nena kan chanchin min shiat mi amin tarlan sak awang hianin chan puina te khongai mal som na tam tak kan don thei pha kan lo me mani.
And 6 point, helping our IDP internally displaced person, and so they are in relief camp in Mizoram as well as in Chochanpur, Manipur, and Kangpopi area in other places. You really look after our relief camp, front line in the field, prayer and cheering up at the duty post.
Man in le lo chwa san ngai bundanga khom ngai Manipur le Mizoram lam chunga mi tam takte min lo en kol puya trong trai na te fui na thu te le thil pek sang sang ten min fui pura min tran puya kan lo me mani
Really, we are really thankful. Even some of you come and visit at duty post. You pray for at home, at the same time at church. So we want to say thank you so much.
duty post lampanga te boina lama hmuna te minon kalsila hmuna minon tho tu te ina le ko khan ho anga min trong trai puina zong songa po kan lom me ma lom thu kan soi bok ani
So, 7, donating in group as well as individual to Manipur, Zona Tute in the hill of Manipur. So we want to say thank you to all Mizoram. So may God bless all of you and may God continue to play as a role of big brother.
mi mal le a hu ho anga thil pek sum le pai le thil sang sang min ron hlan chin tu zong song chunga kan loma lalpan na satakin mal som cheu sela u ena kan en cheu in na anga min tuam lom chun zom turpon kan du ma kan ngen pa cheu ani lalpan mal som cheu ro se
God bless all Mizoram. Thank you.
lalpan Mizoram mal som ro se kan lo me